Welcome children to the another session of nutrition in animal of class 7. This is Vikesh. As you know, we are discussing nutrition in human. So have a look of human digestive system once again. Here are the different part of our human digestive system started from the mouth. The mouth is containing teeth, salivary gland and tongue, then tube-like structure that is called esophagus, then stomach, afterward stomach, small intestine, then large intestine, rectum and anus. And there are three glands, one is liver, gallbladder and pancreas. As we all already discussed the different type of teeth found in human mouth. What are these? These are incisor, that is front teeth, afterward canine, then premolar and then molars. All these teeth and tongue come under the first process of human nutrition, that is ingestion. I hope you will remember that we have discussed the 5 steps in which human being can take their nutrition. The first step is ingestion. In human being, teeth appears in two sets. The first set of 20 teeth appear from the age of 6 months. These are called milk teeth. The milk teeth replaced by the permanent teeth between 6 to 8 years of age. Till the age of 18 years, permanent teeth are 28 in number with only 8 molars. I know what you are thinking, that we heard human beings have 32 teeth, but sir is talking about only 28 teeth. How? So answer is that 4 molars are added to permanent teeth after the age of 18 years. So adult have 32 teeth. These 4 molars are called wisdom teeth. These teeth, if you can see, these teeth will come after the age of 18 years. So their number will be 32. But till the age of 18, their number will be 28. Afterward, the 2 wisdom teeth will come after the age of 18. So the total number is 32 in your mouth. Now the next thing will come in our mind, that how permanent teeth take the place of milk teeth. On the milk teeth, permanent teeth are there. As you reach the age of 18 year, permanent teeth start pushing milk teeth and milk teeth automatically fall down and permanent teeth automatically take place of the milk teeth. So don't you worry about the milk teeth, but take care of your permanent teeth. If they fall, only artificial can replace them. You heard the word plaque. Doctor will ask you to brush your teeth twice a day. Why he say so? I tell you. Bacteria are present all around us, even in our mouth, but all bacteria are not harmful to us. However, when we do not clean our teeth properly, some harmful bacteria start growing in our mouth. These bacteria, food particles and the saliva together form the thin sticky layer called plaque on the surface of the teeth. Plaque that is not removed by brushing produce acid. And you know what is the work of acid? Yes, acid can harm the things. So the acid dissolve the hard tooth enamel and make the tiny holes on the surface of the enamel, which slowly get bigger until the large hole appear, and this is called cavity. And after some time your tooth will look like that. So take proper care of your teeth. Now this is the next part of your mouth. Remember what is this? Yes, this is tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ present in the mouth. It helps to mix saliva with the food while chewing. The tongue is also very important sense organ and has taste bud. What are these taste bud? In our tongue we have a 4 type of taste bud. At the back we have a taste bud which can taste bitter. Both side of the tongue sour. After that both side salt, and on the tip we have a taste buds which can taste sweetness of an object. So these all are 4 taste bud which can found on your tongue, by which you can taste the different kind of things. Now let us look how the tongue help us to us. Tongue taste the food, mixing saliva with food during chewing, turning food in the buccal cavity between the teeth for chewing, swallowing the food, cleaning the teeth, and most important, which is very important for you, that is speaking. Okay, so these all are the work of a tongue. Thank you.